Velo is trading at 0.003 in terms of its US dollar rate, with a value change of 1.05 in the last 60 minutes, which is extremely significant. Velo explicitly has a sort of total market cap of 21,525,327 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 3,244,691, which is particularly critical. This basically puts Velo beneath genuinely positioning at 572 in the digital currency market. As opposed to mainstream thinking on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo be particularly worth in 2023, or so they truly thought. Velo value forecast for 2023, the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination in 2023, the Velocos basically is supposed to for the most part cross and in every way that truly matters normal value level of 0.003. The normal kind of least value worth of Velo toward the end of the sort of current year ought to be 0.003. Additionally, Velo can sort of arrive at and in every practical sense greatest value level of 0.004, which is genuinely huge. Velo value estimate July 2023. About July 2023 is expected to arrive at a minimum value worth of 0.003, which is definitely significant. The Velo cost might basically arrive at a most extreme cost of 0.003, with a usual cost around 0.003, and in a considerable way. Velo value expectation August 2023. The cost for Velo in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 0.003 and 0.003, showing how beginning around July 23, 2023, Velo is exchanging at $0.003 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with a value change of 1.05% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around 0.003, which by and large is very CR velocity value prediction. The low cost in September 2023 is expected to be between $0.003 and $0.003, while the actual normal cost of Velo in September essentially maintains at 0.003. Velo value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Velo is expected to be around and essentially least of 0.003, which truly is genuinely huge. Velocos can generally arrive at an essentially limit of 0.003 with the truly normal cost of 0.003 in United States dollars, which truly shows that will Velo cost for the most part outperform its unrivaled high, which truly is genuinely huge velocity meter. In November 2023, the cost of Velo is expected to be around a really low worth of 0.003, demonstrating that Velo cost can sort of arrive at a for the most part limit of 0.003 with the fundamentally normal cost of 0.003 in United States dollars, demonstrating that the low cost will basically outperform its untouched high, or so they basically thought. The Velo value worth can in every way that matters arrive at a generally limit of 0.004 with the generally standard exchanging worth of 0.003 in US dollars in an unsophisticated approach. Velocity value prediction. The cost of Velo explicitly is expected to reach an exceptionally low value of 0.003 in December 2023, contrary to popular belief. Throughout 2023, the Velo cost may reach a truly highest value of 0.004, with a very usual exchanging value of 0.003 in a considerable way. With an increase in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Veloscan cost has basically demonstrated a truly decent increment of 2.06% in the essentially most recent 24 hours, which is genuinely substantial. Velo is having a particularly difficult time catching up with other cryptocurrency. The Velo essentially is down to nearly 0.92 in every practical sense most recent 7 days, showing that Velo value expectation December 2023, the cost of Velo fundamentally is in a real sense anticipated to sort of reach at an exceptionally least worth of 0.003 and December 2023 in an extremely enormous way the coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past couple of days. The coin could sort of have areas of strength, for certainly in any case we don't generally believe that it would have beneficial resource and especially momentary in a quite large manner inside the essentially most recent 1 month. The cost of Velo is specially diminished by 54.512 dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of 0.003 from its current worth. Incredibly, this unexpected down generally implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a sort of good for the most part purchase in open door for, in every practical sense. Velo value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Velo is explicitly determined to be at around a buy and large lease worth of 0.003, showing how Velo cost can sort of arrive at an especially limit of 0.003 with the sort of typical cost of 0.003 in United States dollars, which basically shows that will Velo's basically outperform its unequaled high extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost C Velo has generally demonstrated a developing pattern that truly is genuinely critical. In this way we truly believe that comparable pieces of the market sort of were very well known at that time in an unobtrusive manner. As per the scarcely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo certainly has expanded from 4 months in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume is an essential role in its cost, which truly is genuinely huge. The coin beyond 4 months, which is a massive Velo value gauge. 2023 statistics. What will Velo actually be worth in 2023 in a genuine sense? The Velo cost generation. As $10 billion worth of trades come in, the price of Bitcoin is expected to stay at $30,000. What's next for Bitcoin? As Bitcoin's trade volume hits $10 billion, the currency stays put at $30,000. This has people talking about where it might go next. Bitcoin is still interesting to investors and traders even though it is currently selling at around $29,900 and went up by less than 0.1% on Saturday. Along with this, the SEC's request for more money to deal with risks and scams on the crypto market makes the future of BTC even more interesting. With all of these things going on, everyone wants to know, where will Bitcoin go next? The SEC wants more money to deal with fraud and risks in the cryptocurrency market. The head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Gary Gensler, has asked Congress for more money to deal with risks in the crypto markets. He stressed the need to deal with people who don't follow the rules and to protect buyers from the risky nature of the cryptocurrency markets, which he called the Wild West of finance. By giving the division more money, the SEC hopes